Gray matter software perspective, we should think about that in like three or four layers from overall perspective. The bottommost layer is all about what we call as kind of agent orchestration. And you can think about agents as any devices in the warehouse, right? For example, AMR is a device class, robotic arm is a device class, a drone is a device class, a PLC is a device class. And the bottommost layer for gray matter is all about being able to interoperate these device classes and also being able to orchestrate them correctly. And when I decode orchestration, it's all about what to do, when to do, and which agent should do it, right? At any point of time, there are a bunch of tasks in a warehouse. You really need to take real-time decisions in terms of what's happening in the warehouse and continuously kind of take that feedback so that you can keep on adapting to what's happening in the warehouse and not just have one static way of doing things. So now, when you go on the upper layer, a lot of these technologies need a certain way of how inventory is stored, how orders are processed, and what sequence orders are processed, and likes of that. So, second layer of gray matter is all around inventory and order orchestration, just to make sure that way the inventory is stored and way the orders are getting processed, it is conducive to that particular type of agent, right? When you're doing a rack to person system, that needs to be done differently. When you're doing a assist kind of a system, it needs to be done differently. Basically, the second layer does that. The third layer is all about orchestrating within the processes. So let's say you get a consignment of these orders need to be at these dock doors by 5 p.m. Right now, that's the basically overall task that needs to be done. The third layer of gray matter basically breaks it down, saying, okay, replenishment to forward area needs to happen by 10 a.m. The picking needs to happen by 1 p.m. The packing needs to happen by 2 p.m. Sorting needs to happen by 3 p.m. so that prioritization happens and everything is at dock door by 5 p.m. So basically, being able to take this task at the right time, orchestrate it correctly, and continuously take the feedback. Like, let's say, oh, replenishment is running behind, so these tasks need to be prioritized first because they need more time in picking and all of that aspects. And the fourth layer is all about visualization, analytics, AI, and being able to kind of continuously visualize it, learn through it, and likes of that. So whether it is retail distribution, whether it is working with CPG companies for their wholesale and distribution, or e-commerce companies for their fulfillment, or different retailers for omni-channel, all those applications are supported on Gray Matter today.